Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from SMK Saujana Utama, a school that's located in Kuala Selangor district with almost 4,000 students and 200 teachers.
Oh my god!
Hi, my name is Irene.
Hi, my name is Nurin.
Hi, my name is Danisha. And my name is Awatif. Our team called Rembulan.
Our assistant teacher called Puan Nohazwani binti Azmi. Problem statement 1. Student need to queue long to refill their water. Therefore, it will cause congestion.
2. Water at the whole dispenser is not enough for the students.
Why Malaysia weather so hot?
Yeah, why so hot?
Let's get some water. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Can you please be faster? Wait, no water man.
Why she black out?
How can I know?
I black out because of dehydration lah.
Aha! This is our solution for that problem.
This product is called Aqua Dispenser. Aqua is a synonym for water.
We can put this aqua dispenser in class so that students don't leave class in a large group. These are some of the materials that we use.
The basket is made from wire and newspaper. The wire is covered by the newspaper and shaped into a basket. Inside the basket, we put a 5 liter of mineral water bottle. The amount of water that we use is suitable for the whole class.
We use the water sensor to make it easier to refill the water. The first water sensor to detect the movement.
Second one is to supply the water into the tube cover. We use a plate to shape the tube cover.
These are 6 materials we use for water sensor.
The cost only use less than 40 ringgit.